So your hiccups will go away.
Oh my fucking god. I think they're already gone. This ain't sugar.
Oh.
This worked fine.
Apparently bitters and lime. Well, tequila's the cure-all for everything.
Oh my god. That worked perfectly.